Hello, good afternoon, everyone. This afternoon, one of my students is asking how to solve a problem in grade 4 and IAL 4, lesson 3, number 9. So this afternoon, I will show you how to do it. Okay, remember it's lesson 3, number 9. So let's start in our browser. Okay, please click our Google Chrome. And then we will go to code.org. So using our shortcut, click and then sign in. This time I will going to sign in IAL 4. Okay, so the code for IAL 4 is TZBZDR. Okay, so TZBZDR. Click go, and then this is class IAL 4. IAL 4 is similar to grade 4 code.org. So let's try. Click here. My name is Debbie, so click your name and then write your secret word as your password. So my secret word is step waves. Okay, sign in. And then first time you log in, so you just click your age 9 and then continue. Can you follow me? So we need to solve problem in lesson 3, number 9. So this is conditional in Minecraft. Okay, Voyage, Aquatic. So the Minecraft will swim in water. So click lesson number 9, practice. And then this is what it looks like now. So you made it to the reef. Now search for the heart of the sea. This one, a pearl. Use the blue and red coral to reach the treasure chest. So this is the here. If you can see the Minecraft here, this is our guy, and he need to swim here, going here, then here, going down here to reach this treasure chest, so that he can get the sea, the heart of the sea. Okay, so let's start. But we need only 9 blocks to do it. So to start with, okay, so because we are our workspace is limited blocks, we use this loop. Okay, so after we use this loop, what we are going to do next, so repeat until goal, meaning to say it will repeat until it will reach here in our treasure chest. So next, move forward. We need to move forward in order to get, and then we will add on click standing on here. Click standing on in blue coral. Okay, click standing on in the blue coral. Next, you need to turn right. I'll turn left. Turn right here. Okay, move forward if standing on blue coral. This is the blue corals, right? And after you reach here, you need to turn left. Okay, so turn left. After that, again, if standing on, okay, standing on blue coral, still blue corals. Okay, and then, okay, if standing on red corals. So we have the red corals here. Okay, this is the blue coral and this is the red coral. So we need to turn left. So this is only our work. Very simple. When run, repeat until goal, move forward. If standing on, blue coral. Here, turn left. No, turn right. This one is right. Turn right. So first is right, next is left. So here, standing on blue coral, turn right here. Then standing on blue coral, turn right. And if standing on red coral, the next is you need to turn left. So meaning to say, if you have a blue coral, you need to turn right. If you have a red coral, you need to turn left. And let's try. So it's turn left and move to the next. Red coral, turn left. Blue coral, turn right. Red coral, turn left. Blue coral, turn right. Blue coral, turn right. And the last is blue coral, turn right. And it's go to the treasure chest. And our problem solved. So we complete puzzle number 9. So hope you learned something in our lesson 3, number 9, and hope that it give you the answer for this puzzle. So thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing our channel. Until next time, have a nice day.